Now that my shoes are all clean and shiny, it's time to start. And we are here in the city of Guadalajara in Mexico. And Guadalajara is not only known for its famous mariachi singers, but also for this bread. This bread is called virote, and we will discover everything about it in the following movie.
Guadalajara is the capital of the state of Jalisco in Mexico, and with its 4 million inhabitants, it's the second biggest metropole in Mexico. The famous virote bread is a real tradition here. Its history goes back to the 19th century, when Maximilian was still Emperor of Mexico. Let's find out more about it.
We are here in the Museo Regional from Guadalajara, and someone who can tell us more about the story of the virote is Señor Don Pedro Fernández Somellera.
Carlos,
Entonces,
buen día.
Buen día. ¿Cuál es la historia del virote?
Fíjate, Carlos, que lo que poco que he podido averiguar en mucho estudio y mucha investigación ha sido que este señor, por el cual se llama virotes a estos deliciosos panes nativos de Guadalajara, es que este señor Camil Pirot era un soldado del ejército, era panadero en el ejército de Maximiliano, del emperador Maximiliano. Después empezó a hacer los virotes, los panes, los empezó a hacer con aquella masa y salieron los deliciosos panes que tenemos ahora el gusto de probar.
And now, let's discover one of the bakeries where this fantastic bread is made.
As promised, we are here in the bakery of Don Fernando del Rio, and Don Fernando will show us how to refresh the virote sourdough, and together with him we are going to go through the whole process of this fantastic virote bread.
Eso para desbaratarla más rápido, por eso la estoy haciendo así cachitos.
Don Fernando refreshes his sourdough once a week with beer, eggs, lime, some sugar, and a little bit of salt. The mother dough has a strong acidity. The lime is present, but also other flavors, which are different from other sourdoughs. It's a unique sourdough that he has for more than 35 years. The sourdough is put together with 88 kilo of flour, 72 liters of water, some sugar and salt. And look, it's all done by hand, no mixers here, but pure craftsmanship. The traditional shape of the virote is also obtained by hand. It's hardly believable how fast the typical shape of the dough pieces is obtained by these bakers. Each of the stone ovens is heated with a flame torch, like this one. Once fermented, each dough piece receives an incision at the top, before it is put in the oven. The bakery is running day and night, 7 days a week, which means that the ovens have a very constant temperature. This bakery produces around 10,000 breads a day. Look how the breads are taken out of the oven. 2 bakers remove the breads from the oven as a well-oiled machine. It's amazing. Most of these bakeries have no shop. Consumers just walk in the workplace and choose their breads out of the canistas, the big baskets.
¿Es la muestra para mí?
Sí.
Para la biblioteca. Muchas gracias,
De
señor.
nada.
This sourdough deserves undeniably a place in the sourdough library.
But first, let's have a quick analyze of this sourdough at the Cake and Bake University of Guadalajara.
In the bakery of Don Fernando, we have discovered that to make the sourdough of the virote bread, we need limon, beer, and eggs. And Chef Daniel will explain us why.
Utilizamos cerveza porque realmente de manera natural obtenemos el malteado de la cerveza y las levaduras que contiene. La vamos a procesar. Una vez el reposo de 24 horas, ya de ahí le vamos a dar agua. ¿Sí? Es como le vamos a hacer nuestra masa madre de 3 días. Una vez que tengamos nuestra masa, vamos a utilizar huevo y limón. Limón que nos va a dar ese sabor ácido, es un aditivo de forma natural. Y el huevo que cuando empiece su descomposición nos va a dar esos sabores en la fermentación. Vamos a agregar estos 2 ingredientes para obtener otra fermentación. Y ahí vamos a obtener esos sabores y esos aromas que realmente buscamos para las características de este pan.
One of the places to taste the birote bread are the local mercados, the marketplaces. Strangely, you will not find a lot of birote breads in the bakery shops, because most of them are delivered to restaurants and food corners all over the city. Birote bread becomes then a local culinary specialty called torta ahogada, which can literally be eaten everywhere. Some specialized food corners serve only torta ahogada. The birote bread is first stuffed with pork meat, called carnitas, that is simmered in lard with oranges, milk and a blend of spices. To drown the torta, you can choose between spicy or not spicy tomato sauces. Then it is topped with a bean sauce, onion slices and cabbage.
Digamos, un antojo de carácter social. Se puede convertir en una comida completa, pero reúne a los amigos, se toma necesariamente a mediodía, es tradicional que se tome a mediodía y puede ser en un puesto en la calle o puede ser en un restaurante o en un lugar específico de la torta ahogada que nace a principios del siglo XX aquí en Guadalajara. En ninguna otra parte hay, bueno, sí hay malas imitaciones, porque no tienen virote. Y este es el perfil de identidad que caracteriza la torta ahogada, ¿no? Y el interior es esponjoso, es suave y es muy sápido. Es donde se concentra el sabor especial del virote, un sabor entre ácido, entre salado, entre amargo, por todo el proceso de la confección de cada uno de ellos.
And finally, the quest for sourdough brings us back to the sourdough library in Belgium. It's here that the birote sourdough will be analyzed, numbered and preserved amongst other sourdoughs from all over the world.